Following hot on the heels of fractions of amount 1 is fractions of amount 2. And here we go with this question. John measured himself 1 year ago and was 120 centimeters tall. He has grown an extra 1/5 of his height since. How tall is he now? Okay, so this is a basic question of working out how much 1/5 of 120 equals and then adding it on. So I'm going to start by writing out 1/5 times 120 equals, and to solve these kind of problems I need to do some cross cancelling. So does 5 go into 120? Yes, it does. So I need to cancel down 5. 5s into 5 go once, and 5s into 120. I can do a bit of short division there on the side, and that equals 24. So the answer for this part is 24 centimeters. And then I simply add that answer onto the initial height of 1 year ago. So 120 plus 24 equals 144 centimeters. Okay, let's have a look at the second part of the question. John's sister Rachel is now 105 centimeters tall. She had grown 1/6 of her height in the past 12 months. How tall was she 12 months ago? So this type of problem is a little bit more challenging because we are not asked how old is she now. We are asked how old is she 12 months ago. Alright, so the best way to start with these questions is to draw out a diagram. I'm going to draw out a rectangle which represents her original height, and I'm going to draw out a separate diagram, square, next to it, which represents the extra amount that she's grown in the last year, and that is 1/6 of what's on the left. So I'm going to split my diagram on the left into 6 parts, and we have the 1 extra part on the right. So altogether we have 7 parts, and this 7 parts is worth 105 centimeters. So I need to work out what 1 part is worth, and then either times it by 6, or I can just take away that number from 105 to get that original height. Okay, so let's give that a go. If altogether there are 7 parts, and that those 7 parts are worth 105 centimeters, then 1 part is going to be worth 105 divided by 7, which equals 15. So then I can either take 15 away from the 105 to get 90 centimeters, or I could do 6 times 15 to also get 90 centimeters, which was Rachel's height 1 year ago. Okay, well done for watching that video. Now have a go at some of the questions below yourself.